Alright, how are you guys today? I am going to be talking about LeatherMan PST today. It's a discontinued model. And I'm also going to be talking about the PST2, which we'll get to later. First things first, I know I finally got a trumpet video up and it really sucks. So please, until I figure out how to get better sound quality on my camera, or get a better camera, please just don't, unsubscribe or unfriend me. Not that it really matters. Is there really I guess there is really an award for that. Anyway, just leave me alone. Not really. Okay. I should just get doing the video because I'm not very good at talking. Right here, we have a metal file, or a wood file, and a nail file. Can't really see, but you can tell it's a file probably. And right here we have a metal saw. Next in here we have a can opener slash bottle opener, a very small flathead screwdriver, and a Phillips screwdriver. On this side we have the clip point blade, which is very sharp. Believe me, I know. And in here we have in all a medium-sized flathead screwdriver and a large flathead screwdriver. The plier has needle nose pliers. Then it's got hard and soft wire cutters. Right here, it's probably hard to see. Right here says LeatherMan, and right here says USA. On the side it specifically says Portland, Oregon. Probably can only see that very fuzzy. Anyway. And so, there we go. Here is LeatherMan PST.